Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Mackenzie Wetlaufer, part of the marketing department here at Beauchart Industries, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install a push fitting. But first, don't forget to push that like and subscribe button. Now, before we get into installing them, I'm going to quickly share 2 advantages of using push fittings over other fittings on the market. The first advantage is that push fittings allow you to transition from one type of pipe to another. So you could transition from a copper pipe to a PEX pipe using a push fitting, for example. Push fittings can be used with copper, PERT, PEX, and CPVC. Another advantage is how easy push fittings are to install. The process is quick and doesn't require any special tools to install them. This makes them a great choice if you're a homeowner or a DIYer. Okay, now let's get into how to install them. To install a push fitting, you're going to need a measuring tape, marker, pipe cutters, and the proper size push fitting for your pipe. Before installing a push fitting, we recommend shutting off your main water supply. Once you've shut off your main water supply, cut your pipe straight across using pipe cutters. Make sure your cut is as straight as possible to ensure the fitting fits on the pipe properly when installed. You're going to make this cut where you want your fitting to be when installed. Make sure there are no burrs or damage to the end you cut. If you're connecting the fitting to a copper pipe, you're going to want to deburr the end of the pipe using a deburring tool. Next, you're going to use your tape measure to measure out the insertion depth of the fitting on the pipe. To do this, take your measuring tape and measure the correct depth on your pipe. The depth will change slightly based on the fitting size, so make sure you're measuring the correct depth for your fitting size. After you measure it out, use your marker to mark the depth on the pipe. Now it's time to install the fitting on the pipe. To do this, simply insert the pipe into the fitting through the release collar, gripper ring, and O-ring. Make sure to push until the pipe is snug against the fitting and won't go any further. Lastly, check the mark you made on the pipe to make sure the fitting is inserted to the correct depth. And that's all. You have now successfully installed a push fitting. If there comes a time in the future where you want to remove your push fitting, you can easily do that using the disconnect tool. All you have to do is snap the disconnect tool around the pipe with the face against the release collar. Then apply pressure onto the disconnect tool. This will pull the pipe out of the fitting. And that's all. I hope you learned something from this video. If you want more information on anything related to what Beauchart Industries does, I've got 3 really great resources for you. The first is beauchartu.com. There are tons of great articles on there about plumbing and water well related stuff. The second is our knowledge base. If you have a technical question about one of our products you need answered, our research and development tech support team has got you covered. And the third is our YouTube channel. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of our content. Once again, I'm Mackenzie Wetlaufer, part of the marketing team at Beauchart Industries. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.